All right, guys, so this is the Epidilla, I think that's how you pronounce it, S2 upgraded plug-and-play 14-inch triple portable monitor for your laptop. Now, this is going to be able to fit any laptop that's between 13 inches and 17. It says 17.3 inches. I'd say 17 inches. But if you're into multitasking, if you're a video editor like I am, if you do a lot of things on the computer, gaming, this is going to be a game changer for you. So really easy. This is a plug and play triple screen laptop screen extender. You don't have to download any programs, anything like that. 1080p screen display, 14 inches. But let's go ahead and get into the box. So we'll do a quick unboxing. Really nice packaging. And I've been using this screen extender now for, I'd say, the last 2 weeks, and I really do love it. So here is your user guide. A lot of times when you're working on your laptop, the whole purpose of having a laptop is for the portability. Same thing with this laptop extender. It comes in this nice portable case, nicely built. It's got a little storage pocket on the side here, and purpose for that is if you want to store any of the additional cords that they send along with the screen extender to fit multiple different laptops. Go ahead and slide this out. And then there is a Velcro strap for some added security. Pull that off. And there is the thickness, not very thick. And this is super easy to use. I'll show you guys how to set this up. Alright guys, so along with the screen extender, you're going to get multiple cables to connect this to your laptop. A bunch of USB-Cs, you get some HDMIs. But you're going to get a total of 5 cables that come along with this. And I'm using it with my Apple MacBook Pro. And the MacBook Pro is 16 inches. Now the way the extender works, as you guys can see, it's all folded up right now. Just go ahead and unfold it. There is your one 14-inch screen, and then you unfold the other side, and there is your other 14-inch screen. So I'll try to get this in the picture here, but your laptop will sit right here, and you're going to have a 14-inch screen on each side, both 1080p. Now this back piece does have adjustments. So you do have a tab right here. This flips up. This is going to be on the top of the laptop, and this does spread apart, and that's what's going to accommodate the different size laptops. So it's kind of like a clamshell feature. It's got a little spring in there, and then when you let it go, it's going to close right onto your laptop screen. Not very heavy at all, but just to add some extra support on the back, it does have its own kickstand, and this kickstand is adjustable, so you can adjust it through all these notches, which is nice, so that this way you don't wear out the hinge on your laptop. Also, both of the screens on this extender have USB-C inputs, so you have your HDMI, your Type C2, and your Type C1, and that's going to be for both of the screens. Also, the back of this does have a carbon fiber look to it, which is pretty cool. And then up top on each screen, it has its own menu wheel, which is going to allow you to adjust color, saturation, and stuff like that. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and show you how simple it is to attach this laptop screen extender to your laptop. As you guys can see, it's all folded up right now. So you're just going to unfold it. You're going to go ahead and flip this tab up right here at the top. This is what's going to sit on the top of your screen. You're going to pull this apart, and it does have some rubber cushions, 4 of them on each side. That's what's going to make contact with your laptop screen. So what you want to do is you're going to pull these apart and then just put it onto your laptop screen. I like to slide it down from the top and then let this tab rest right on the top of your laptop screen. Like I said, this will sandwich together by itself, and that's how it's going to look. These can pivot however you want them to pivot. And then you do have the kickstand on the back, like I showed you guys earlier, which is going to add support to the hinge of your laptop. I'm going to use, with my MacBook Pro, USB-C out. Each screen's got to be plugged in individually. I like to use the angled ones to plug into the back of the screen. So as you guys see, I plugged into one screen. It's already powered up. Cool thing about this is you do not need any program. You don't have to download a program or anything. So there you go. You got already one screen over on this side. Not sure how well you guys can see that. It's kind of brightly lit in here. And there you go, guys. I went ahead and plugged in the other one. So now you got the screen on both sides. So there you go, guys. A closer look at it. Both screens are fired up. So we got 3 screens now. Can do tons of multitasking, which is really nice. And it was really easy to do. Just USB-C to USB-C. This is a MacBook Pro, like I said earlier. Made it really easy. Alright guys, so there's a quick look. I got my iMovie right in the middle here, editing a video. Over on this side, I got my YouTube page pulled up, and then I got some files over there. Really makes it easy when you want to multitask on the go, whether you're at work, if you're doing content for social media, anything like that. Really easy, portable. The screens look good. These are 1080p, so the Apple screen is a little bit clearer and better, but still very visible. And like I said earlier, these wheels up here, you can go ahead and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, all of that stuff to your liking. So there is adjustability on each screen. So this took me maybe less than a minute to install this onto my laptop, plug in the wires, and I was up and running. Like I said, there's no extra programs that you need to run, so it makes it really easy to use. I just recently started using a setup like this where I have multiple screens, and especially for video editing or when you're editing social media content. Really love this solution. Makes it way easier instead of popping up windows and then closing windows or hiding the window. You can keep that window open whether you got your files over here that you're dragging over to your editing software, or if you got to look at emails while you're editing something, or if you just want to play some videos or music on this side. This is a really nice solution to be able to have multiple windows open and look at them all at one time.